Hello again, my name is Sabyasachi Mittal. I hope you all are doing very good today. आज मैं आपके सामने इस वीडियो के माध्यम से अंग्रेजी के वह वाक्य और वह शब्द लाना चाहता हूं जिन्हें आप बहुत फ्रीक्वेंटली यूज तो करते हो लेकिन शायद थोड़ा इनअप्रोप्रिएटली यूज करते हो। आइए जल्दी से देखते हो कौन सी कॉमनली मेड मिस्टेक्स हैं जहां हमें बहुत अफलातून अंग्रेजी नहीं बोलनी है लेकिन बहुत ही साधारण सी परिस्थितियों में भी हम अपना इंप्रेशन ना खो दें। बहुत सिंपल, आई जस्ट रीड वन आफ्टर द अदर फॉर यू। वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट्स, आई विश I was a singer. No. I wish I were a singer. Trust me, this is one big mistake many can make. And I'll give you one fantastic example I cannot forget in my life. In the year 1999, Indian Express newspaper started All India Poetry Contest. And the topic was, I wish I was the Prime Minister of India. I loved the topic and I wanted to participate in it. However, given my knowledge of English and grammar, when I was very young in 1999, I still knew it is not I wish I was, it should be I wish I were. Because when you say I wish I was, it gives the sense of positive. It is definitive. I wish I was the Prime Minister of India. I mean, just come to think of it, if you're talking about two of your friends having got into a fight, you don't say, I wish I was there to avoid it. I wish I were there to avoid the fight. That means you're talking about a possibility. When you say wish, it goes with a possibility. And in that time, I wrote on a postcard to the editor-in-chief, Shekhar Gupta. You see that walk the talk conducted by Shekhar Gupta. And now you see him a lot on social media with the Print and various other organizations. So I sent him a postcard. I think the topic name should be I wish I were. That is appropriate and grammatically correct. You would be surprised. I got a letter, postal letter that time. Thank you for bringing it to our knowledge. In the next edition and the print of the newspaper, they corrected it and they mentioned, I wish if I were the Prime Minister of India. And I loved it. So you see, these are such commonly made mistakes that even at the top level, somebody can do it. Where things go through a lot of scrutiny and proofreading, this can get overlooked. Be very careful with this one. One very important is, myself, I am Rahul. Come on, this is not really right. Myself, I am Sumit. Myself, I am Sunaina nahi hota hai. My name is Sumit. I am Rahul. My name is Sunita. I am Sarita. ऐसे बोला करते हैं. I am having two brothers. I am having two cars. I am having नहीं होता. I have. I have two brothers. I have two cars. Having is continuous tense that tells you about an activity which is happening. I'm having a problem with this computer. Any ongoing activity. Are you having your medicines in time? A little common expression which talks about continuity. College is there today na. College is there today na nahi hota. What you mean to ask is, do we have classes today? Is college open today? So the correct expression is college open today? Do we have classes today? Be very careful. He did not went. He did not went nahi hota. He did not go. She did not go. Very, very commonly made mistake. I didn't knew. I didn't knew nahi hota. I didn't know. I did not know hota hai. So did not के साथ में आप past tense नहीं लगाते हैं. Knew is past form of know. He couldn't cope up with the situation. Cope up with सब कुछ नहीं लगाया जाता है. It is cope with. It is not cope up situation, cope up with situation, cope with situation. He could not cope with the situation. I will revert back to your email. Very, very commonly used phrase or a sentence and expression in everyday life with everyone. I will revert to your email. I will revert to your call. Appropriate expression would be I will respond to it. I will get back to it. Revert is ideally a military term which means coming back or restoring to the original position. I will respond to your email. I will get back to you. I will write back to you. I will call you back. I will get in touch with you later. These would be better expressions. Many years back nahi hota, many years ago. So ago is the right use of it. In my other videos, you would be able to see the distance between ago, since and long time. I did a mistake, not an appropriate expression. What you mean to say is I made a mistake. I committed a mistake. आप सोच के देखिए, अगर आप हिंदी अंग्रेजी भी कन्वर्ट करने के आदी हैं तो भी आप मैंने गलती कर दी नहीं होता, मुझसे गलती हो गई. आप गलती जानबूझ के तो नहीं कर रहे हैं ना, मुझसे गलती हो गई, मैं गलती कर बैठा. सो even if you see the words, you don't do it. Nobody does it on purpose because do gives you a sense of doing it on purpose. And I'm sure you definitely did not mean to do it on deliberation. It is more better. No, not really. It is better or even better. I saw a dream. No, you didn't see a dream. You had a dream. I had a dream. I live here only. No, 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 no. I live here. Or I live on Deshbandhu Marg. I live in any XYZ colony. Or I live in Delhi. And last one is brief summary. Either say a brief, I'll share a brief with you, or I will share a summary with you. It means the same. Summary already means brief information. Do let me know आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा and which are those are the topics on which you would want me to make a video for your better learning, knowledge and understanding. I would love to do it. Language proficiency, anything to do with communication and soft skills, that's my forte. I've been doing it for long, more than 15 years. I would love to hear from you in comment sections, or you can even write an email to me. See the email in the description box, or even it'll appear on the screen towards the end. Take good care of yourselves and enjoy learning language. It's beautiful.